Hi. In this video, you will learn how to install Java on a Windows operating system using command prompt. Open command prompt. Confirm Java JDK and JRE does not installed. Now, it's time to install Java on this system. Open web browser and type Oracle Java download in Google search engine. Go to Oracle Downloads. Under Java SE, Software Downloads, choose Java SE Downloads.
Download Java Development Kit JDK for Java SE for Windows operating system. It started downloading Java SE executable file. Wait till download complete. Download completed. Now run the file. Install Java by clicking on Next and Next until you get finish. At this location, Java going to be installed. Three billion devices in the world are using Java. Now Java executable file installation is finished. This is the path. your Java has been installed. With this installation, you will get one separate JRE and a JDK, that contains a JRE. Separate JRE, installed by Java executable file, is used as a default runtime, to run Java bytecode, within the system. Because of this, command Java gets works. But Java C command fails, as it should be manually configured by developer. Now, restart your command prompt. Command Java works because of separate JRE folder as Java C. Command fails that we need to configure manually using command prompt. Let's clear command prompt. Let's set path and class path using command prompt. Set path and class path as shown. Let's check, path and class path, have been set, using echo command.
Now, let's check Java and Java C commands are working.
That's it. Path and class path has been set. Now Java has been installed in this system.